So Tommy Jams is a web platform where we connect artists, venues and fans together. Our goal is to revolutionize the live entertainment industry across the globe, and we do this by matching the exact right artist for the right venue and get the exact suitable audience for that particular artist into that particular event.
Okay. What is the pain point you're solving?
So basically, we understand that the live entertainment industry is very segmented at present, and it's very difficult for these artists to get shows not only inside the city but around the city, across cities and countries. So we came up with a flexible and transparent solution where these artists are able to book their events across cities, go spread their music across different places, and take their music to a newer audience.
Okay. What traction are you giving bands?
So till now we have over 900 artists, over 170 venues and 600 events have been hosted through our web platform. These artists include names like Swaratma, Lagori, Parvaz, the Raghu Dixit Project and such independent artists which are working in the industry in India. Now we plan to expand globally to Latin American market very soon.
Okay, great. And where do you see yourselves 2 years from now?
So 2 years from now, basically, Tommy Jam should be present in multiple countries around the world, and our artists should be able to tour different places, not only within their city but across cities and countries. The flow of music should be much more rich and diverse in 2 years of time, and we plan to facilitate that through our web platform.